Harbor Freight just released some new Dollar Days deals, so I'm going to go over them in this video. But first, I do want to mention that they are extending the parking lot sale. In case you missed my previous video from earlier this week, they will be doing the parking lot sale extension starting Friday, running through Sunday, and you will need coupons for the deals in case you missed out on the parking lot sale items or in case you want to go back for more. So be sure to load the coupons on your app or download them. And again, it's going to be Friday through Sunday. And these Dollar Days deals are going to be going until March 25th. So you do have a couple weeks to get them. I'm going to start off with the first item, which is going to be on the 3-pack of the Super Glue Gel. It's normally priced at $2, and you can save 49% on that, making it $1, which is a pretty good deal. And it's a limit of 4. I've used the regular super glue. It works pretty good. So imagine the gel might be a little bit better. And it'll be a little bit thicker versus the regular super glue that's pretty thin. And next up is the Pittsburgh 6-piece 7/8 inch spring clamp set. So a good little assortment there of little spring clamps that are great for chip clips. They're normally priced at $1.99. You can save 49% on that, making it $1, and it is a limit of 4. And this is another item that is a lifetime warranty on them, so I guess if they go bad, you can exchange it out in the store. Next up is the 16-ounce hand soap with the orange scent. The container they have here is different than what they have pictured in the coupon. This is normally priced at $2, and you can save 49% on that, making it $1, and it's a limit of 4. And next up is the solid brass nozzle for the hose. It does have adjustable spray and pattern by turning the adjustable valve. It does fit the regular size 3/4 inch hose fitting. They're normally priced at $4.99, and you can pick it up for $4. That is saving 19%. And next up is the Pittsburgh 7.5 inch adjustable pin wrench. This will be good for if you happen to have multiple sizes of angle grinders, as this does adjust to the collet itself to be able to undo the grinding wheel. These are normally priced at $8, and you can save 49% on that, making it $4, and it's a limit of 4. That is a pretty good deal on this. Next up is the Warrior titanium step drill bit. It is good for drilling hole sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 of an inch inside of plastic, aluminum, brass, copper, and steel. It does have a 3/8 shank to it, so it'll be good for basically all cordless drills and corded ones. So 9 sizes total of the step drill bits. These are normally priced at $6, and you can save 33% on that, making it $4, and it's a limit of 4. The next deal's on the Pittsburgh 1 1/4 pound fiberglass axe. So it's got the fiberglass handle, the regular axe head to it, and that's normally priced at $9, and you can save 22% on that, making it $7, and it's a limit of 4. The next deal is on the Chicago Electric 14-inch cowhide welding gloves. It is a one-size-fits-all glove, and these are normally priced at $7. You can save 14% on that, which is 99 cents off, making it $6 and limit of 4. And the Dollar Days deals would not be complete without some kind of a flashlight offering. And they do have this one by Luminar Everyday 100 lumen swivel lamp, which is a headlamp. It does offer 9-hour runtime, easy on and off buttons, and it's water resistant for outdoor use. It's lightweight to prevent neck strain, which is pretty nice. It's only $4 normally, and you can save 49% on that, making it $2, and it's a limit of 4. If you're enjoying this video so far, I would really appreciate it if you do give it a thumbs up and consider hyping the video if you're on a mobile device, and help the channel get to 50,000 subscribers if you're not subscribed already. And when I do reach that goal of 50,000, I will be giving away 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits that are an $80 value. So be sure to subscribe and help the channel get to 50K. I really appreciate that support. Let's move on to the next deal. All right, the next deal is on a blue tarp, which is an 8-foot 6-inch by 11-foot 4-inch, which they have the tag discrepancy. That's what the tag says, but the sign says 8-foot 4 and 11-foot 6. And the coupon, you can pick it up for $6, which is saving 24%. And on this coupon, it even mentions the 8-foot 6 by 11-foot 4. So I think this sign might be wrong as far as that goes, except for the price sign. Next up is this Pittsburgh number 2 Phillips screwdriver. It does have a pretty decent grip to it, and it does offer the lifetime warranty just like the other Pittsburgh hand tools does. This is normally priced at $3, but you can pick it up for $2, which is saving 19%, and it's a limit of 4. Next up is the Pittsburgh 6-inch composite digital caliper. It does include a battery for this digital caliper. It does say it can accurately measure to within plus or minus 0.01 inch and it does measure up to 6 inches. This is normally priced at 10 bucks, but you can save 39% on that, making it $6, and it's a limit of 4. Next up is this Pittsburgh 12-inch heavy-duty pry bar. It's made of carbon steel construction, powder-coated paint finish, and it does have an ergonomic grip to it. It does come with the lifetime warranty as well. It is normally priced at $6, but you save 49% on that, making it $3, and it's a limit of 4. The next deal is on the Pittsburgh 7-inch wire stripper and cutter. It quickly strips 10 to 20 AWG wire. It shears popular 8 to 32 and 10 to 32 gauge copper screws, and it does have a comfortable vinyl grip to it, so you're able to do both stranded and solid wires with it. This is a basic wire cutter, and it's not a bad price at $6 normally. This is even a better deal though. You can save 49%, making it $3, and it's a limit of 4. Next up is this paracord 1/8 inch by 50 feet. It does have a 160-pound working load. It is normally priced at $3. It's a good deal when you can save 33% on that, making it only $2. And again, it's a limit of 4. And if you're in need of a reach and pickup tool, they have this 36-inch one. So it is a pretty good size long one that they have, and it's normally priced at $3. And again, you can save 33% on this one, making it $2. And it's a limit of 4. And if you need some replacement utility blades, they have this one by Gordon. It's a 10-pack of them that does fit most utility cutters, and then they are made of carbon steel, and they do come in a handy dispenser. These are normally priced at $2, but you can pick them up for only $1, which is saving 49%, and it's a limit of 4. And they do have a pretty good deal on this Badland 3/4 inch D-ring shackle. It is rated at 9,500-pound working load. This is a pretty good size shackle, and it is normally priced at $11, but you can save 27% on that, making it $8, and it's a limit of 4. And here's the back of the package. So as I mentioned, it is rated at 9,500-pound working load. It does have all-weather protective coating constructed from ultra-strong forged steel. This is the item number. I might pick one of these up. It's a pretty good deal, saving the 27%. I've seen online where people use these to actually use it to pair it with a ratchet strap to wrap around lumber in the back of a truck. And basically you have the ratchet strap go in on each side, and it helps secure the lumber load. The next deal is on the Merlin 1/4 inch female brass universal coupler, and they also have the deal included for the male ones. These are each normally priced at $4.69, and you can save 14% on that, making it $4. It's not the best savings, but I guess it's better than nothing, and it is a limit of 4. And the next deal is on this Merlin 3/8 by 3 foot rubber air hose lead. It is rated at 300 max PSI, and it does come equipped with the 1/4 inch NPT male fittings. It is normally priced at $5, and you can save 19% on that, making it $4, and it's a limit of 4. And the next deal is on the Storehouse 20-piece storage hook set. So it does come with a decent variety of different kinds of hooks, so you can hang different things from your garage walls. It is normally priced at $5.99, and you can save 33% on that, making it $4, which is a limit of 4. And just so you're aware, these hooks do look rather thin, so I wouldn't necessarily hang heavy items from it. So probably some basic items it's capable of doing, just not heavy ones. And next up is the Chicago Electric Rotary Saw Blade Kit. It is a 6-piece set on the 1/4 inch shank. So it does have these different size little mini circular saw blades. So use it like in your Dremel or other rotary tools. It's normally priced at $10. You can save 29% on that, making it $7, and it's a limit of 4. And the last item, which I could not find in the store, is on the Hallmaster E-Track tie-off strap with a D-ring. It's only priced at $6, but you can pick it up for $5, which is saving 16%. And again, it's a limit of 4. All right, so I wanted to show you today's haul, and it is a light load compared to, well, since I splurged a little bit during the parking lot sale last week. So during the dollar days, I did pick up the paracord, which is the 1/8 inch by 50 feet long, and that was only $2. And I went ahead and got the adjustable pin wrench. That's good for opening up the grinders. I could never seem to find it, so I thought it was good to have one on hand, an additional one. And this was only $4. It's normally priced at $8, so that was a good deal on this. And I went ahead and picked up the Badland 3/4 inch D-ring shackle in red, because you can get either the black or red one. So I opted to get the red one. And I'm going to demonstrate in this video what I was talking about, holding lumber together, so that way you can take a look and see it might be something you might be interested in picking up. I don't take credit for the idea. I did see the video on YouTube. YouTube's full of great ideas, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. And this was priced at $8. That was saving like 27% or saving almost $3. So that's a pretty good deal. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate how to use a D-ring shackle to help hold the lumber in, haul it back home or wherever, especially in my case where my truck bed's only 5.5 feet long. And whenever I bring lumber back and I have a decked system in the truck bed, so sometimes it makes it difficult to haul lumber. If it's just a small amount, it's fine. I can put it on top of the tailgate. But if I have a little bit more than and even some plywood, then it could be a little bit more difficult to put it in at an angle. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use a D-ring shackle to be able to help hold it in with the ratchet strap and only one ratchet strap to help bundle it together. So when you're initially putting the lumber in, you want to first put the ratchet strap down on the bottom of the bed. Then you put the lumber in on top of that. And you do want to have some slack in the ratchet strap line so that way you're able to wrap it around the lumber itself. So basically take the ratchet strap from the one side and you kind of pull it up and over. Then you have the pin out of the shackle. That way you can put it right inside like that. One end of the strap on that side. Then I'll wrap the strap around this other side here. Then go ahead and put the pin in and screw it in. Then go ahead and put the pin in like so. And see how the lumber is loose right now. So we'll go ahead and start ratcheting it tighter. See how it pulled it tight? Now it's just, all you need is the one strap. And this now is held pretty tightly together. It's not gonna float around and move around. See how it keeps it bundled together? That's pretty nice. So I'll keep this in the truck for whenever I do lumber runs. It'll be a great little extra tool to have on hand to help bundle the lumber together. Because otherwise, if you just put a strap going across, it's not going to hold it really in place. Even if you have it at an angle, you still risk the lumber moving around and shifting around. And it's a great way to bundle it together. This makes it very easy to do. Definitely recommend picking one up. Well worth it, especially if you do these types of projects. Another good thing it would be good for is if you're like a plumber and you're hauling a lot of pipe, it might be a good time to pick one up as well to help hold the pipe together as well. Be the same concept as lumber. All right, so if you enjoyed this tip, be sure to give it a thumbs up. All right, that's going to be it for this deal video for the dollar days. And don't forget that you can go this weekend for the parking lot sale extension. Just make sure you do have your coupons for those deals. If you go back for any more of those items, if you gained value from this video, would appreciate it. You do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Help the channel get to that 50,000 goal. So I can give away those 5 Icon Meme 2.0 kits. I really do appreciate that support, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.